Hello everyone, today is 2025, April 13. We are going to show you how to solve another question for Math Olympiad. And the question is if x squared minus x cubic equal to 12, and what are all the possible x? So to solve this question, we need to use some general roots equations for the ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And when with a not equal to 0, we have the roots is x equal to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this case, we need like a b squared minus to 4ac greater than 0. This case, they have the real roots. Otherwise, we will have some complex number roots. The roots are like x equal to minus b plus minus is I times the square root 4ac minus b squared divided by 2a. Here, like we need like the b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. In the other case, we can also put this greater than 0. Okay, and so now let us work on the original equation. So we can actually pull out the x squared term by doing this. The original equation is equivalent to the following, which is x squared 1 minus x equal to 12. Okay, and the question is like, how do we solve this question? You can do some simple guess. Okay, that's one thing. So clearly, you can see one of the roots looks like x equal to minus 2, right? So you can guess, because if you put minus 2 here, it's going to 4 and it's going to 3, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to rewrite. So first, to make it easier, we will start with x is equal to 0 equal to x to the 3 minus x squared plus 12. Okay, and then we can keep actually expanding terms. As our guess, like x plus 2 is the right answer, so we can actually write minus 2 is the right answer, so we can add 2 plus x squared and minus 3x squared plus 12. So this becomes x squared x plus minus 3x squared and 3 times x squared minus 4, right? And in this case, it becomes x squared x plus 2 minus 3 times x plus 2 x minus 2. Okay, and then we can actually pull out all the terms with x plus 2 times x squared minus 3x plus 6. We can double check, take out this term, and this is minus 3x and plus 6, right? So this is the equation. So clearly, so there are 3 roots. Okay, there are 3 roots. Okay, so the root 1, it's obvious, which is x equal to negative 2, and for the case like roots 3 and 2, third we have. So first we know that this b squared minus 4ac clearly like less than 0, right? So we know that b squared minus 4ac is equal to minus 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6. This is less than 0. Okay, this is equal. Let's compute this. So this is equal to 9 minus 26 24 and equal to negative 15. This is less than 0. So thus our roots becomes complex roots. Okay, so we have one real root and 2 complex roots, which is x equal to 2a, and which is minus b, which is 3. This is pm, and take the square root I. Sorry, this is I times square root 15. Okay, so these are the 2 like complex roots, and this is one real root. And let me double check if my calculation is correct. So we get b equal to, in this equation, ax squared plus bx to c. Let's write down more details. Okay, so consider ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a equal to 1, and our b is going to equal to negative 2, and c is going to equal to positive 6. And okay, therefore we can compare like a b squared, which is 4, sorry, it's a typo, which is 9 minus 24, which is going to negative 15. This is less than 0. Thus our roots, it becomes this one, which was the complex one, and that's all the solutions. Here the major idea is the way of guess the first real roots and use the roots to help you like construct the equation, and which then recursive reduce the 3x to the 3 exponent to the x squared. We are solving x squared equations, and then we can use the classical equation to solve the roots. That's a major idea. Let's hope like this video help everyone, and feel free to subscribe to this channel, and feel free to email us if you want to do research with us in the future about math direction. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.